Hi, this is Srinivasa Tirunagari. In the last class, we have seen functions and categories of functions. In this class, we will see what are the built-in functions. Built-in functions. Topics covered in this module are built-in functions. So we have the list of built-in functions and their usage is put into a table. Current date. This returns the current date, so basically it returns the system date. Current time. This returns current time of the system. Current timestamp. This function basically returns current date as well as time. Current user or user. It returns the currently active user within the database server. Session user returns the currently active authorization ID if it differs from the user. System user returns the currently active user within the host operating system. Using current date. How you can use current date in select statements. So this is I'm explaining in Oracle specific. This is available in ANSI SQL and I'm writing in Oracle specific database. Select current date from GUI. So it will display the current date as 01 as shown in this picture, 01 Jan 2016. But if you execute the same query, you may get a different date, the date on which you are executing this query. I am executing this query here. Highlight this, click on this button. You will get the system date. I am executing this program on 8th June 2016. So it returns the system date, the current date, 8th June 2016. Using user function. So select user from GUI. It will select the user that is actively logging to the system. Here in this example it is displaying as HR. HR is the user. I am demonstrating how to use user function, built-in function. Using it, we can use it in select statement. So here it says HR user. Thank you.